Sometimes, on Threads, you may have commented on a post, but later, if you feel like deleting that comment, you can do that. One thing is, you might think it'll be difficult to find that post, but it's not that hard. Anyway, in this video, I'll be telling you how to delete your comment from any Threads post. For this, open the Threads application. After that, here you can see a profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see the replies option. Click on replies. When you click on that, here you can see every post that you've commented on. Here, there is one post. I want to delete the comment from this post, so just click on that post. When you click on that, here you can see the comment. Next to that comment, you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you click on that, here you can see the delete option. Click on delete. When you click on that, you'll see a pop-up message like this. Here, click on delete. When you click on that, that comment will be deleted. So, this way, you can easily delete any of your comments from any post on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.